Does the exterior of your commercial property turn away potential customers? Are your sidewalks covered in gum and building filthy with grime? You need Water Dog Restoration for both commercial and residential power washing and property maintenance services in York, Pennsylvania. Water Dog Restoration specializes in concrete cleaning, building washing, dumpster pad cleaning, and more. We keep restaurants, apartment complexes, HOAs, and commercial plazas clean all year long. We are a fully insured and family-owned business that takes pride in our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call Water Dog Restoration today at 717-891-8558 or visit us on the web at www.powerwashingyork.com for your free online quote.